Most people think you have to wait months or even years to get monetized before you make real money on YouTube. But that's not true. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I'd make $5,000 per month on YouTube without the YouTube Partner Program. Step by step, and the best part? You can start with 0 subscribers, no fancy equipment, and without showing your face. Step 1, pick a profitable niche. If I'm aiming for $5,000 a month without monetization, I need a niche where people spend money and where I can promote products or services. Some of my favorite Faceless channel niches for this are AI tools and automation, fast-growing, high-ticket software, personal finance, evergreen and high CPM, tech reviews and tutorials, great for affiliate links. Key tip, don't just chase views. Pick a niche with products that have affiliate programs or services you can promote from day one. Step 2, build around affiliate marketing. This is the #1 way I'd make money without monetization. Affiliate marketing means you earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. For example, a $50 per month tool with 30% recurring commission equals $15 per month per person. 334 paying customers equals $5,010 per month, without ads. Pro tip, start with tools or services you already use and love. It's easier to make authentic content when you believe in what you're promoting. Step 3, create content that solves problems. Instead of just talking about the product, I'd make videos that solve my audience's problems and weave the product in naturally. Example, instead of review of XYZ tool, do how to save 10 hours a week with XYZ tool. Instead of affiliate marketing basics, do how I'd make $500 in 7 days with this free tool. This approach gets more clicks and higher retention because the focus is on results, not just features. Step 4, optimize every video for conversions. I'd place my affiliate link in 3 key spots. Top of the description, so it's visible without clicking more, pinned comment, reinforces the call to action on-screen text or graphics to remind viewers visually, and I'd include a simple CTA in every video. Check the link in the description to try this tool for free. No pressure, no hard selling, just consistent reminders. Step 5, scale with consistency and analytics. If one video drives 10 sales, my goal is to make 10 videos just like it. I track which topics get the highest CTR, which videos convert the most sales, which affiliate programs have the best payouts. Then I double down on what works and drop what doesn't. This is how you scale to $5,000 a month. Not by guessing, but by following the data. You don't have to wait for YouTube monetization to start earning. If you pick the right niche, promote the right products, and focus on solving your audience's problems, you can build a $5,000 a month channel, even with 0 subscribers today. If you want my complete list of profitable Faceless channel niches and affiliate programs, check the first link in the description.